Hi, this is Dollar Day Trader, my trading recap for Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. I hope everyone's doing well. Today was a decent day trading wise for me. Just trying to keep it small and keep it green just to get consistency back after last week's debacle. So I live traded really two stocks or one stock, one ETF, Zoom, so ZM. So I kind of was late, so I didn't really get the best setup or the best prep for it. But I did see some news on the stock about some security issues, perhaps. So it was definitely stock in play. So looking at the 1 minute here, I had a price level here around 125, 126 range. So we saw it kind of sold down here. It pulled back. I was kind of patient, so this would have been a nice potential 1 minute breakdown, but kind of was waiting patient. I saw it kind of curl back up. I took a short position around 120, 151, looking for a reverse ABCD pattern. I may have gotten in too early. I should have waited till we got closer to either VWAP or this 9-day EMA moving average in the 1 minute. So once it touched here, actually, I got out. So should have been more patient. So like I said, 121, say 46.50, got out at 122.34. So small share size, obviously when doing with the larger price stock and higher ATR range, that a little move like this on screen, is a good amount. So then it started coming down. So I took a short, reversed my position now that I felt like it was kind of coming down. Momentum was coming down, a little bit more volume here. So I took a short around 120, 120, covered around 120.27, and then covered some more around 119.02. So that actually was a pretty decent trade. Unfortunately, I should have held on to more shares. I saw it kind of consolidating here. I saw the moving average just kind of sloping. It popped up. It kind of rejected this long wick here. So I waited to the next minute, see if it touches EMA. It did not, and it was kind of hovering. So I took another shot at a short around 117.88. My stop loss is pretty wide, around 119.12, let's just say. So 117, let's say 80, 83, 88. Covered really quickly at 117.50. So I was really just scalping this point and took another short and covered really quickly. So it wasn't the greatest of trades in hindsight. I should have stuck to the strategy, which was pretty good reverse ABCD pattern. And really should have just this was fine if I wasn't comfortable to get out and then got back in. And really just should have been more confident and let the trend kind of unfold, if you will, and then cover. And it would have been definitely a better trade around 121 all the way down to 115 potentially. Even a small share size would have been a nice gain there. It reversed. And this looked pretty strong, consistently. All these consistent bullish candles came through VWAP, kind of retested it, went through it. This long extension here. So it was kind of tricky. It wasn't, if you got in this area, you could easily got stopped out. So I was waiting. And then once it kind of rejected here and came back up, I took a position around 2016 and then covered. I believe this might have been in sim just to get some practice in. And then I traded the SPY, which covers SP 500, and really just did some quick scalps. Excuse me. So quick scalps here. Been trading decently on the SPY, at least from a scalp perspective. Maybe I could try a little more strategy and let some formations or patterns form and come and kind of let's see how it goes here. So I took a scalp here, long. And then up here, I took a long. And at this point, I was kind of away from the computer. I came back, and then I saw this pop up, and I saw the volume. So I was just trying to chase it really fast and just do quick scalps. So nothing, scientific there. So anyway, those are my trades for today. Another green day, small green day, but I'll take it, especially during this time period. A little difficult time period for me, but I got time to really trying to hone the craft and get better and hopefully improve in the next upcoming weeks. Hope everyone else had a good day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.